Hello everybody, we're working on a 2014 Chevy Malibu or alike. As you can see, a very common problem with Chevy flip keys is the buttons start to fall off, and eventually also this breaks. The key just comes off of here. They're not the best well-made keys. Eventually, if you keep using your key in this condition, the car will stop starting because the chip is right there on the board and it gets damaged. So the minute you start to lose buttons, call a locksmith ASAP to replace the key. As you can see, I copied the key and I'm cutting a brand new one right there. Okay, we're gonna clean that off. All right, now we're gonna replace it. Right in here. And properly put it on the vise. Nice and tight. Cut the other side and then we can program it and get it going. So again, Chevy flip keys. Anytime you get the buttons like this, call your locksmith, get them replaced. Thanks for watching, guys.